Two insurance giants, one burning question: which one takes the lead when it matters most? On one side, the iconic, trusted State Farm, and on the other, the dependable, nationwide coverage of Nationwide. Forget the marketing, we're breaking down the facts that actually matter. We'll score each important category so you can see for yourself who truly wins, and the winner might just surprise you. Okay, to keep things organized, here what we're comparing: price and discounts, coverage options, customer service, claims satisfaction, digital tools and app, and finally, national availability. That's a lot, but don't worry, we'll make it easy to follow. First up, price and discounts. So with State Farm, you get a bunch of classic discounts, like if you're a safe driver, or you bundle a few policies together. Nothing too wild, but it adds up. I will say, depending on your profile, sometimes State Farm is exactly the cheapest. Now, Nationwide, they're kind of known for their competitive rates, especially if you're looking to save every penny. Oh, and they even throw in unique stuff like a vanishing deductible and some pretty creative discount options, but you might need to sign up for their usage-based program, and not everyone loves that. Still, out of the two, Nationwide usually wins on pure price advantage. Next, coverage options. State Farm, in classic fashion, offers tons of choices. Want an agent to walk you through rental or rideshare add-ons? No problem, they have some of the widest endorsement lists out there, but heads up, you might need to deal with an actual agent to add some of them. Meanwhile, Nationwide is a bit more of a customize-it-yourself company. You can tweak your policy online, and they've got some interesting extras like pet injury coverage. But if you love chatting in person with agents, there just aren't as many. For the sheer breadth and local agent touch, State Farm has the edge here. Moving on to customer service. If you ask around, State Farm is famous for those friendly local agents. Seriously, they're like the car insurance neighbor we all wish we had, and they consistently pull strong customer satisfaction ratings. That said, there are a few areas where their support isn't super consistent, depending on where you live. Nationwide goes heavy on the online experience. Service is usually easy and digital, but reviews about the claims process can swing from decent to not so great. So if you want that consistent personal touch, State Farm is the clear winner. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know State Farm is actually the largest car insurer in the entire US? They've been around since 1922, so clearly they know what they're doing. Fourth, claims satisfaction. This is a biggie. State Farm generally pulls in high ratings from J.D. Power, and customers always talk about how simple the claims process is and how quickly they get things settled. Sometimes, though, major disasters can slow things down a bit. Now with Nationwide, their claims process is modern and digital-friendly, but people sometimes report it being a little slower, especially when waiting to hear back from adjusters. State Farm definitely stands out here for getting things resolved fast, most of the time. Alright, let's talk about digital tools and apps. State Farm's app is pretty dependable. You can do your basic policy stuff and start a claim right from your phone. There's even a chat feature if you need help, but I won't lie, the interface is starting to look a little retro. Nationwide is all about that user-friendly app vibe, plus you can schedule an on-your-side review to check over your coverage. Some extra app features do hide behind a login wall though, which is a little annoying. As for who wins, honestly it's a dead heat. Both are good, neither is perfect. Last but not least, national availability. State Farm really crushes it here. There are literally offices and agents all over the country, and you can almost always find one nearby. There are some small differences in what's offered from state to state, but you're basically covered wherever you go. Nationwide's reach is still impressive, but you don't get quite as many office options or agent density. So if nationwide access is important, State Farm takes this one. So, looking at everything side by side, you can see that State Farm edges out on coverage, customer service, claims satisfaction, and national reach, while Nationwide makes a strong showing on price and those inventive discounts. Digital experience, pretty much neck and neck. Here's my honest take: if you want friendly local support and top-tier claims service, go for State Farm. If finding the lowest price and customizing everything online is your style, you're going to get more out of Nationwide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow for more unbiased insurance breakdowns. I've got plenty more where this came from.